Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair. Guys, our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we'll show you how to remove and replace master window switch on Mazda CX-7. This is the one right here. One of the buttons doesn't work, so we're going to replace the whole assembly. Not very complicated, but you need to remove the door panel, guys, to do that. Stay with us, we're going to demonstrate how to do it. Don't forget to subscribe, let's grow the channel together, and hopefully the video is helpful. Okay guys, so first thing that we will need to do, right here there is a cover that we'll need to remove. Okay, like that, and underneath it there is a screw. And also this cover right here, you need to remove that one, and this one tends to be pretty tight sometimes. Okay, you just pull it out like that. Now there is those two screws that we need to take care of. Okay, one on top behind the door handle cover that we just removed. And after that we'll need to go ahead and start on this one here in the hole. You can see quite a few videos on that Mazda on our channel, guys, and many more to come. Don't forget to check out World Mechanics, our main fun channel there. We have videos that relate to any car. Okay, we need to pry the door handle out of there. Okay, like that. Now we need to disconnect the wire for the central locking. Okay, right here. We can just pull the panel now. Okay, you're going to grab with your hands. There is a couple clips, okay? You start pulling on it, just straight towards you, and after that you need to remove that little cover for the mirror there. Okay, just like that. And once we remove the door panel, we'll show you where exactly all the clips are, so you know what to expect. Okay, and now next thing that we'll need to do, we'll need to feed the door handle through the door panel there. Okay, just like that, we need to disconnect all the wires that we have here. Once we disconnect them, we'll show exactly how they work, that piece. Okay, you press here down and you pull. That's how all of them are. Okay, this one as well. And that's for the master window switch there. And sometimes they can be stuck pretty good there. Okay, just like that. So the door panel is out of there now. And let us show you where all the clips are now. Okay, you can see one is missing right here. So we need to go ahead and remove this one and install it on the panel before we put it together later. Okay, and one there. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 clips. Alright guys, and we needed to remove the door panel because you can see there is screws on the bottom of the master window switch there. Let me turn light on. With a Phillips screwdriver. If you have a short one, for the inner one will be easier. I think there is 3 screws for it. Let's go ahead and remove those now and see what else you need to do. That's the replacement window switch that we have right here. Okay, you can see with the mirror switch as well. It's a combined deal. And if you need any numbers, part numbers, let me see if I can find anything here for you. Okay, I'm removing the last screw now there. And this is the master window switch, guys, right here. Okay, they spilled something on this button and it doesn't work. You can take them apart, clean them if you have one and it doesn't work, and you might be able to fix it, but we have a parts car, so we're just going to install the one we have out of the parts car now right here. So you need to make sure that you feed it through the hole, everything is lining up good, and install the 3 screws after that. After that, guys, you need to install the wires and you need to install the door panel in reverse order we took it apart. So that will be the whole procedure. Hopefully the video was helpful. Thank you for
So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.